So this is my 2020 Supra, and I bought it because it was tunable. If you don't know anything about Supra'S, or you're thinking about buying a Supra, you have to be careful because not all Supra'S are tunable from the factory. Now, all the 2020 models are tunable. The 2021s, about half of them, as long as your ECU was manufactured before June 2020, you're gonna be good. Otherwise, you gotta send it out to Finland and get it unlocked via Femto, which costs a lot of money. Even though my 2020 Supra is the oldest and it's tunable, it does have its kinks. The 2021s, 22s, and everything after 2020 didn't have this issue, but the 2020s do, and today we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So if you guys remember my buddy JR, Cars with JR, he used to have a Supra. And he doesn't have the Supra anymore because he traded it in for a G80 M3. Which honestly, that's quite an upgrade, so kudos to him. But he used to have a Supra, and this was his Cusco front strut bar. And I purchased it from him for a really, really good deal. But I can't mount it on. And if you guys know where I'm going with this, the 2021 models and newer all came with OEM strut bar. Let me put this down. There are provisions and there are the thread for the strut bars in the front. However, in the rear, where the strut towers are, this isn't. So in order to install this, you actually have to drop a bolt through and get under the wheel well and then nut it from the bottom. Nut. But there is a fix for that, and today we're gonna fix this. If you guys know Phil, he owns the Turbulence Gray Supra. He's gonna be here and he has the tap and die tool that I need to fix this. But yeah, the Supra is still on the jack stand. And it's been like this for 3 weeks, honestly, which is why I haven't been really motivated to film or work on the car, because I really want to get the brakes done first. Holy crap, these are ginormous.
12 seconds later.
What the? Phil's here. I thought he was going to drive a Supra, but the weather's been freaking ass lately. I was waiting to hear your Supra the whole time, dude.
Dude, undercover.
If you guys don't know, he probably has one of the best sounding Supras that I know of.
My panties are wet.
Jesus Christ.
The HKS blow-off valve, catalyst downpipe, RK titanium exhaust. Shout out to RK. But Phil's here because he's gonna help us. Oh, whoa! You didn't see the brakes yet.
I didn't.
Oh, you ready, bro?
Let me see. Damn, big boy brakes.
Bro, fucking ginormous brakes, man.
I watched your video. You get your new lines yet or no?
Good question. I didn't even update them. My new lines are supposed to be here in a week. So then in a week, I'll be able to get this and finally be able to drive the car and drop the car too. Nice. I want to see what it looks like on the ground.
For a while.
3 weeks, man.
Damn.
Oh, yeah. It's been so sad.
Mine yesterday.
Yeah. The weather's been ass though, so I don't even know how much I was going to be able to.
Yesterday it wasn't raining, so I got lucky.
Dude, last weekend was nice. Yeah. All right, before we start the tap and die, I do realize in the last video, I didn't show you guys what the brakes look like with the wheel on, and I need to know how that's going to look. So let's go ahead and do that real quick and see what kind of clearance we're messing with. Okay. That's it. Oh, fuck.
Is it hitting your rim?
Dude, is it hitting me?
No. Actually, it is.
No.
Well, you're...
Holy fuck.
No way.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god. What
Millimeters off? Just by millimeter.
Oops. Woo! Dude.
You're good. I don't hear anything. They barreled out that caliper pretty nicely. I don't see any marks on the rim, so you're pretty solid.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Look at that clearance. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Let me get this wheel weights away. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is crazy, dude.
They made it perfect.
Oh shit.
Unreal.
Dude.
I can't believe
What's this thing again? That thing looks so crazy. Holy crap.
Hey, I want one too. Sponsor me.
Everybody was asking me if we're gonna have a rear kit. Terex hasn't made one yet, but we are in the talks, and I think we're gonna be able to complete the setup and have it match front and rear. But that's gonna be a while, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and tap and die and get the new strut bar on. Since the car's on jack stands, we repurposed the OEM Supra wheels as a step stool. All right, Phil, what are we doing right now?
I'm just greasing up this die so it doesn't clog up the hole while we tap it.
That's what she said.
Oh shit, Phil got it done perfectly. All right, Phil hooked me up with the hardware. Got some nice washers too. But let's get ahead, get these on. Harbor Freight's fucking awesome. Today's video is sponsored by Harbor Freight. Now, while my engine bay is looking a little bit better now, everybody on the internet makes fun of me because all I've done was make my car look cool and I've done no power mods. And they're kind of right. The only thing that I got modified on the engine is an intake, a downpipe, an exhaust, and a tune. But honestly, that's all you need with the Supra. I'm tracking my car and everybody always says, wow, I threw so much money into making my car look cool. But I'm tracking this car, and to be honest, 450 wheel is more than enough for me right now, and I still enjoy this thing every single time I drive it. So one day, will I want to make 600? Who knows, maybe, but am I chasing like 800 or 1,000? Fuck no. Phil is, though. He's been talking about like big turbo kits and shit, man.
Maybe.
Calm your horse down, bro.
Maybe.
Damn, look at that. That looks freaking nice. This year, I want to do more of the engine bay and more cooling parts. A Pier 800 would be sick. A rotated turbo kit would be sick. But honestly, I've only tracked this car once. I want to track this car a lot more this year. And the power band is perfect for me. So to everybody out there making fun of me because my car is not super fast. All right, so that install was super easy. All thanks to Phil.
Yeah, man. Anytime.
You want to let him know what you guys need?
Tap and die kit. You need a die of M10 by 1.5. And then this lovely ratchet tool.
Yep. So that's the OEM thread pitch. In case you guys want to know, that's going to work for the front and back. Yeah, that's it. All you need.
Pretty much it. Make sure you lube it first.
All right, y'all, and that's all I'm going to have for today's video. First off, shout out to Phil for coming over to my house and helping me tap and die and be able to install the strut bar on my Supra. If you guys made it this far, as always, I appreciate you guys so much. I got a lot more content planned for this year, but I know we kind of started off slow. Again, for this year, I'm going to focus not so much on posting every single Sunday, because that was just super stressful last year. But I'm going to be posting and editing as I can, and I'm going to be putting out videos on a non-scheduled schedule, if that makes sense. So if you guys are interested in watching my videos, please click the post notification bell. That will help you guys get notified every single time I post. Because it could be a Wednesday, it could be a Friday, it could be a Sunday. These videos are gonna come out as I get them done. And you know, right now I know it's starting off slow. Work's busy. I got a lot of travel plans, and as some of you guys may know, I am expecting a child. Your boy's gonna be a dad. Super excited. But nonetheless, I am gonna pump out the videos, and Honestly, the weather's kind of sucky right now, so there's not a lot of car stuff going on. But I promise you, it ain't gonna stop. So if you made it this far, thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.